If you are using cotton swabs to clean your ears, stop right now and watch this video. Hi, I am Dr. Vaku. Here is something that may shock you. Almost 80% of people who use cotton swabs to clean their ears unknowingly push wax inside, damaging their ear in the process, risking hearing loss and various health problems in the long run. It also doesn't allow you to see what is inside the ear. But that is where Earocam comes in. It is a revolutionary device that will make ear cleaning easier and safer than ever. It has a unique mechanism which helps you clearly see what's inside your ear and remove even the deepest and biggest chunks of wax with absolute comfort and hygiene. Earocam also allows you to record videos or take pictures of any problem areas inside your ear. Remove even the deepest and biggest chunks of wax with absolute comfort and hygiene. In short, safely remove germs and bacteria, pollutants, dirt from your ear. Easily relieve yourself from feeling of weird fullness inside ear. All the time, make hearing better and prevent long-term hearing loss. All this right at home without having to visit a doctor for every small issue. So if you're someone who values their hygiene and wants better health, then Earocam is a must-have for you. Don't wait anymore because the news is spreading and they might sell out soon.
Earocam? Safeguard your hearing with ease. Earocam's break the game-changing ear cleaning tool with mobile app camera. Dr. Vaku.
Click the link below and get your Dr. Vaku Earocam now and get free 5 extra ear spoon cleaning silicone tips.